Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, the remastered one, which is the new edition, and it is beautiful, no doubt. Now taking this shade, I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. I already did my brows and base off camera, and I decided I need some tape for that sharp look. So yeah, I'm applying some tape, just intensifying the color and applying it using a big fluffy brush. Now taking this shade on a smaller blending brush, I'm going to apply that onto my crease, and I am concentrating that on the outer ends as well, as you can see here, and building up the color. This is the MAC 217 brush. Now taking the dark brown shade from the same palette, I'm going to apply that on the outer ends again and dragging it inwards. Now I'm going to take that black shade on a smaller brush and I'm going to apply that onto the outer ends, and then I'm going to slowly drag it towards the inner portion of my crease, and this is to create a nice gradients. Next, I am going to do a cut crease, and I'm going to use the Katvond Lock concealer, and I'm going to create a half cut crease. And I'm using an angled brush to do that, and I'm just blending the ends of the areas where the concealer meets the other shades. Now taking this gorgeous shade, which is a newer shade, it's called Pink Diamond, I'm applying that on the area where we applied the concealer, and I'm using a Real Technique small detailer brush, and this is such a beautiful shade. I'm in love. It's so pretty. And also I'm just going to apply that using my fingers for that amazing impact. Now I'm going to add that red shade on the edge of that Pink Diamond shade, and then I'm going to build up the black shade for that extra drama, and of course wink liner never hurts. Now I added some lashes, also by Huda Beauty. It's the Scarlette lashes. Moving on to face, I'm going to apply my favorite Holy Grail foundation, which is the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm just applying that using this Morphe brush, which I use all the time. And for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade 25, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes, on the chin, nose, and also on the forehead. So I'm going to conceal and highlight, and I'm just blending that out. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe Chubby Buffer brush, the small chubby buffer brush, and I'm going to set the concealer using the translucent powder by MERCIER. And my daughter just scratched a chunk out of my bronzer, so I'm just bronzing up my face using the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and also slightly contouring my nose using a small blending brush. Applying some kohl pencil on the waterline of my eyes, and taking this dark brown shade on the MAC 217 brush, I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. And then I'm taking this black shade on a small angled brush, and I'm just adding some depth. Now I'm going to take this shade, which is the Moon Dust shade, and I'm going to highlight my face. I love the shade to highlight my face. It's so beautiful. And I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and the Cupid's bow. Now taking this KIKO Milano blush, and I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Now for my lips, I'm going to add this Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Trendsetter, which is a beautiful shade. And I'm just lining my lips and applying it all over my lips. Adding these gorgeous earrings from Aldo. That is the perfect addition for this look, and I'm in love with this eye makeup. Seriously, I love the way it turned out, and I'm in love with this palette. It is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to see more tutorials, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for notifications. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.